So I could only fit 5 turkey wings and 2 chicken legs, which for how I cook, I definitely don't see myself using this for any kind of like serious cooking, but let's see how the cooking goes. Second observation, this is loud. If you've ever had a space heater, it reminds me of a space heater. So, and I think it's probably just the exact same technology. It's just a space heater with some cooking coils in it, but it is not quiet. So I just changed it. So I still have the turkey in. I'm not taking it out. It's still in here, and nothing is going on with it because this zone is off. And I just have this zone at 325 for 10 minutes, just because I kind of want the chicken to like kind of cook through a little bit more. And I have it on bake because I didn't want to use air fry. Just because I don't want that heat all over, and then I am using bake just because I think it needs to cook more from the bottom than from the top. So that's it. So I heard a lot about it having a smell. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell like, I think I read on Amazon, kind of told me as well, that it has like this like factory machining smell. This doesn't smell that way. But before I started, I had washed this and like the inside of it and the tray that came with it in like soapy hot water. So I think that probably helped a little bit. But as far as the smell is concerned, I do not have like a smell coming from this. So for comparison, I'd put some chicken in the oven, and I would say that the oven chicken is not as crispy. So this is the oven chicken. First of all, it took longer. The air fried one took a shorter time. I would say this one is crispier for sure, and the ones that is almost like super dried even. I'll probably use less time or less heat in the future if I'm making like turkey in the air fryer, but this is definitely a lot crispier than the one that I made in the oven. You can kind of see the chicken as well and see the oven one. I think temperature wise, this would take a bit of getting used to, just because I think I need to play with the temp a little bit more outside of what the instruction says. Definitely I would say there's value in the air fryer for making like small meals.